Got a storm coming in. I'm taking a video for you. I'm in the house, but I don't know where this came from, to be honest. It actually got me to get out of my chair because the wind was so bad. Coming in pretty fast, too. Let's go outside and see. Doop, 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 doop. Sorry about that. I had to move something. Wow. Did not know we were going to get this storm. We're getting some crazy wind too. Look at this palm is really swaying up there. Huh. Okay. Well, taking this for, oops, Morgan and Dave. Anyway, I'm not going to stand out here because who knows when, but it's going to rain any minute. So that's the storm for the day.